In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a book on Google Docs. We'll start by setting up a clean, organized workspace so your writing stays focused and stress-free. Create a new Google Doc inside a dedicated folder for your book, keeping everything, your manuscript, outlines, and reference materials, in one folder makes it easy to locate drafts and prevents version chaos later. Give the document a clear working title so you can spot it quickly. Before you write a single word, set up your pages. Go to File, then Page Setup, and choose a page size and margins that fit a book format. Many authors like sizes such as 6 by 9 inches or A5, with margins around 1 inch to keep text readable and professional. If you're not sure yet, pick a reasonable size now. You can always refine this when you get closer to publishing. Make sure you apply the settings to the whole document. Next, structure your manuscript with heading styles. Use heading 1 for chapter titles and heading 2 or 3 for sections and subsections within chapters. To apply a style, highlight your text and select it from the Styles drop-down. If you tweak the font, size, or spacing, update the heading style to match so your formatting stays consistent throughout the book. This structure is essential for navigation and automated tools we'll use next. Insert a table of contents to give your draft instant navigability. Go to Insert, choose Table of Contents, and pick the linked version so each entry jumps to the right section. It pulls from your headings automatically, and you can refresh it with the update icon whenever you add or rename chapters. To move around your manuscript faster, use the Outline view. Open the outline from the View menu and switch to a full-screen outline when you want a distraction-free overview of your chapters. This view mirrors your headings, letting you jump between sections instantly without scrolling. Now, set up a reliable drafting workflow. Enable offline access so you can write without internet. This ensures your work syncs when you're back online. Track your word count as you draft to stay on pace. The word count tool gives totals and per section counts. Use version history to save key drafts. Name major milestones so you can compare changes or restore a previous version if needed. When your manuscript is ready to share or submit, export it. Go to File, then Download, and choose PDF for a fixed, polished layout, or .docx if an editor or platform needs an editable file. Keep your Google Doc as the master copy. That's it. Simple, organized, and ready for writing. Now open your document and start drafting your book with confidence.